Now, well, been 2 days on the road. We visited some families and communities in the Central Division. Not too badly damaged, and they were still at home, most of them. But to come to the West from yesterday afternoon and be here today and be able to accompany the Commissioner Weston and his group distributing some aid rations to those that are still or had been in the evacuation centers. They moved back to their homes, particularly to be able to be with the children as they prepare for Palm Sunday. It's a great honor and a great duty to be performing for the government of Fiji. So, a great afternoon. The message has been that the government can only do so much. A lot they can do for themselves, and they have been doing for themselves. People giving up their homes and spaces at home to accommodate those that have been affected badly or worse than them, and they move in together and are more comfortable. And they even start with sharing whatever food they brought with them from their homes into the evacuation centers until the government starts assisting after 48 hours. So it's been a very good picture of cooperation between the communities and the government.
When we are limited by a bridge, the whole road is classified that time, yeah?
Oh, sure. I'll inform Nadi about it.
Yeah, it'd be an idea.
Do debris cleaning and make a new stormwater drainage, clean the site. And we got temporary set out done yesterday, and then full confirmation will be done on Monday for a new bridge layout, belly bridge.
Belly bridge.
Belly bridge, which will be almost 2 meters from this existing surface to the top of the concrete.
Yeah.
And then they will be raising the road, blending with the
You'll use the belly bridge, and while you're raising this?
No, belly bridge will be a permanent bridge.
Oh, yeah. On here?
Yeah. But the height will be 2 meters above the existing ground level here.
Yeah.
And roughly it will be about 30 meters in length.
You'll have enough footing on this side and that side?
Yeah. We already got sample of design done yesterday, and it will be confirmed by FRA.
And you should start limiting your FRA to put 40 ton or 40 ton or whatever the tonnage that can be borne by the bridge.
Oh, okay, sure.
That's how they classify the bridge, is it?
Yes.
Culvert, yeah? Again, the issue with the waterways on to clear from here back to the sea.
Yeah.
We'll discuss with the Paris. So now as well the pipe for the fuel, for the supplies for the food.
You know, very soon it'll be back to normal. It'll be back to normal activities.
Yes,
but Commissioner Weston has earmarked this place for some ration distribution. I hope we members of your community will appreciate it.
Thank you very
It's
much.
not enough, but it's just something to help until things get back to normal.
Thank you very much, sir.
West, bisa na bilalay nga bisulek kiko bikum ni na bolang gay no kiko na buli levo de sangela usibita con que na na porro na vale na sing ni rochi no takini na evacuee mimbi ni do waro no wane ni senta mungani mataka ramani ni waro saro na kae kaya sa tibagan levo na kae ni na kania ni ngumu mututu nga na kae era basal te community kana ikumtu no buli no lotu borro mati governo ngai sabi na sama dala na waleo come along and we're in the west anyway. We're going to go and melobrai lutu na wai di hutan na bisugaki samaki. Ko tunga mendo na kani bibu kelele ni matentu ni takine na vingomi na marutaki. Bibu tunga bikemni wala te hutan na buli sabi sugaki tunga na ni vale maroi tunga na bula. Look after your children, and children, make sure that when you grow up, you look after your parents and grandparents, okay? Well, I hope you will enjoy whatever little the government has been able to bring to you. You're not the only one in trouble or have been affected by the bad weather. There have been others. Some have received their assistance from government, and all we try and do is to make everybody's life a little easier. Barara itu ngan ambu. Nasau wale, bono ni binakan nasi tampil ngane, bayar ngane, kaya nanti uni boleh malam ngamai. Nak.